Hello, my friends. I'm going to try to do a quick rescue of this canvas. I had done something and it was awful, so I just took my palette knife and smeared it all together so it's wet. I'm just going to take the paint I was using, put it in this cup and do a straight pour. See what happens. The only thing I did different was I added some milk paint to the white I had left over. So we'll see if we get some nice effects with that. This cup, using a used cup, I had Floetrol in. I don't think that'll hurt. And maybe I'll do kind of a sandwich thing. Put half the white in there. And then, let's see, the yellow should go in between there, I think. Yeah, I'm just going to pour all the purple, all the rose madder, I believe is this one. This is Soho paint I just bought, just trying it, and the colors are great, very vivid. I haven't quite figured out the medium yet, the ratios, but that's primary yellow, and this is vermilion, I believe. And the rest of the white. And let's see what happens. You never know. I'm just going to pretty much do a straight pour. Okay. It's a lot of white. All right, just start moving around, see what happens. I'm not going to preserve anything that was underneath it. It's just helping it slide around easily. Now this corner, I have a lot of white here, too much. Well, maybe I can bring that orange area back, run some of that extra white off. It's kind of fun, actually. It's like fire and ice. I like the way that looks like it's tumbling down there. I want to maintain this dark area. Maybe I can push it that way just a little bit. First I gotta send the weight there and then bring it back. No, it's not moving like I wanted it to. I think I probably better stop. Well, it's certainly an improvement over what I covered up. You didn't see it before, but it was a pretty sad Dutch pour. I rather like this. I tell you, that milk paint is fun to use. It makes great effects. Oh, very, very simple to do. Let me take you down for a closer look. There's a lot going on there. It's kind of pretty in through there. What do you think? I think it was a decent rescue. I'll live with it for a while before I paint over it. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you stuck with it, I appreciate it. See you next time. Goodbye.